welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today I want to talk about one of those subjects that lots of us don't really like to talk about. And that is, I'm sure that if you've been doing art for a while and showing your friends or relatives or people that you know, you've probably already encountered the awkward situation where somebody asks you to do some art for them, but you read between the lines and the inference is they just kind of want you to do stuff for them for free. It's an odd conversation, and I find that it's one that's particularly hard for artists to navigate. It's kind of one of those things where it's one of those unappreciated areas where artists' time and energy aren't valued. You don't walk up to your friend who works on cars and ask him to change your alternator for free, or a friend who's a CPA and ask him to do your taxes for free and stuff like that. It's just not a thing. And if you are someone who's working hard and really want to become a professional artist, what's the difference between a professional and an amateur? Getting paid. That's the difference. When you are paid and compensated for your time, that is the dividing line between being a professional or not. So value yourself and value your work. And it's okay if somebody walks away. It's also okay if you have a special friend that you want to gift something to, or you have a charity that you want to donate work to. That's totally different because that's your decision. Having that delicate conversation with those that just feel that your work, because you enjoy it, is somehow of less value is theirs to carry with them, not with you. So do not feel any reservation about telling someone that you'll be happy to sell them a piece or even do a commission for them. It's okay to say that, because that will just be one step closer to getting to where you can call yourself a professional artist with a big happy smile on your face. So enjoy.